The Stark Sound Beta 5s have arrived. These things are pretty impressive. The main difference between the Beta 7s and the Beta 5 is the footprint. These have a much smaller footprint. They have a 5¼ inch driver versus a 7-inch driver, but they do share the same tweeter. My look inside video on these speakers will be out next month, but for now, here's a quick sound demo.
Load out, load out. The world was on fire, no one could save me but you. Well, it's strange what desire